Hello students. Today we will discuss a very interesting topic, that is digestion and absorption. Okay. So let's start student. First, what is digestion? Okay. So digestion is a process by which complex food substances complex food substances are broken down into simple absorbable form. Okay, so once again, digestion is a process by which complex food substances are broken down into simple absorbable form. What is the meaning of complex food substance? Okay, first, so complex food substance, what? Suppose we eat chapati, okay, roti. Then what is chapati? Chapati is a carbohydrate, okay, and it is and this carbohydrate is present in form of starch. Okay, so we know that starch is made up of a large number of, or you can say thousand of glucose molecules. So when large number or thousand of glucose combine, then starch is formed. So in chapati, carbohydrate is present in form of starch. So first we have to break that. Okay, so suppose chapati, then in chapati or roti, there is what? Starch. Starch is present. So starch is what? Complex food substance. Okay. So complex food substance means chapati, suppose, or let's another example. Suppose chicken. What is present mainly in chicken? Protein. Okay. So protein is also a complex polymer, you can say, means a large number of amino acids when combined, then protein is formed. So in chicken, protein is present. So first we have to break that protein. Okay, for that breaking we require digestion. Understand? So in chicken there is protein. Okay, so chicken, fat is also there, but mainly protein is there, fat is also there. So we have to break paneer, dal, pulses. Pulses also consist of protein. Okay, so starch that is present in chapati, protein that is present in chicken, protein that is present in dal, all are complex food substances. Okay, all these are complex food substances. Okay, students, and we have to break them into simple absorbable form. So when starch is broken down into glucose, okay, then glucose will be simple absorbable form. Means when we eat chapati, we eat starch, or we are taking starch, and we have to break that starch into glucose, and now body is able to absorb that glucose. Okay, so glucose is simple absorbable form. Clear? Protein is broken down into amino acid. Okay, so protein is broken into amino acids. So glucose, amino acid, these are what? These are simple absorbable form. Okay, students. So starch, protein, nucleic acid, all these are present in our daily routine basis food items, and generally we have to break them into simple absorbable form like starch, glucose, protein into amino acids, nucleic acid into nitrogen bases, sugar and phosphoric acid. So here Starch, protein, nucleic acid, these all are complex food substances, and glucose, amino acid, these are simple absorbable form. Okay, understand? Let's move. Then question arises, what are the ways of digestion? In how many ways digestion can occur? Okay, so always remember digestion can occurs in two ways or by two ways. Okay, first is mechanical and second is biochemical. Okay, so let's write down this definition. I think you have understand this definition. Now we move to way of direct digestion, means in how many ways digestion can occur. So next point you have to write, and it is very important, it is also mentioned in your NCERT 11th. So digestion occurs by two ways. Okay, digestion occur by two ways. First is mechanical. First is mechanical and second is biochemical. So mechanical and second is biochemical. Okay, so let's first we see mechanical. What is mechanical? Student, you have heard about mechanical engineering. Okay, in this branch of engineering generally students read about or tackle the machines. Okay, so just like here our human body is what? Our human body is also just like a machine, and when this machine part help in digestion, then it is called as mechanical. For example, our human body is machine and our part, that is teeth, help in mastication. Mastication is a medical term. In English it is chewing of food. Okay, then mastication of food is done by teeth. So it is a what? It is a way of mechanical digestion. Understanding? So this is mechanical digestion. So once again, mechanical means related to machine. Our human body is also a machine, and when this machine part, that is teeth, there are 32 teeth in adult. So when teeth help in digestion or perform mastication or chewing of food, then it is a mechanical digestion. Understand? So mechanical digestion occur in oral cavity with the help of teeth. Okay, so write down. So in oral cavity, what is oral cavity? Here is mouth, a terminal opening, and inside this there is a cavity or a space that is called oral cavity or buccal cavity. Okay, so in oral cavity, teeth perform perform mastication of food. Mastication means chewing. Mastication of food. So that is also a mechanical digestion. Are you getting? So this is mechanical. In stomach also there is churning movement. NCERT mentioning churning movement of the stomach wall. Generally our stomach wall is made up of smooth muscles. Okay, and when movement occur in this smooth muscle, then it is the churning movement. Basically churning movement is a special type of peristaltic movement. Next means when we go deeply in the chapter, then we will also discuss what is peristalsis. Just remember here or just understand here that churning movement is a special type of peristaltic movement, or you can say peristaltic movement means movement of smooth muscles. Okay, so in our stomach is made up of what? Smooth muscles. Okay, and when movement occur in this smooth muscle, then it is called as churning movement or a peristaltic movement. That also help in the mixing of food with gastric juice, and also it help in the mechanical digestion by pressing the food and making them smaller between the wall of stomach. Okay, so churning movement is also a way of mechanical digestion in the stomach. Okay, so second, churning movement of stomach wall. Churning movement of stomach wall. Generally in stomach wall, smooth muscles are present. Smooth muscles are present, and these smooth muscles when start movement, then it also help in mechanical digestion. Okay, students. Then come to next, that is biochemical. How biochemical digestion occur? So biochemical means chemical. When in living organism, chemical. Okay. So chemical what? Chemical means here enzymes. When digestion occur with the help of enzymes, then it is called as biochemical digestion. Okay. So when digestion occur with the help of enzymes, for example, you have heard about pepsin, trypsin, chymotrypsin, salivary amylase, ptyalin. Okay, so all these are what? All these are enzymes. Pepsin, trypsin, chymotrypsin. These are present in different juices. In gastric juice, saliva, pancreatic juice, intestinal juice, that is called succus centricus. This time neat question in 2020. Okay. So chemical means, biochemical means when digestion occur with the help of enzymes. Chemical. Enzymes are basically what? Chemicals. So when digestion occur with the help of chemical means enzymes, then it is called as biochemical digestion. And in our body, different sites where different juices are secreted. For example, in oral cavity, saliva; in stomach, gastric juice; in duodenum, pancreatic juice; intestinal juice. All these juices having a large number of enzymes, and these enzymes help in the digestion. Okay, so when digestion occur with the help of enzymes, then it is called as biochemical digestion. Okay, so when digestion occurs with the help of enzymes, then it is biochemical digestion. Then it is biochemical digestion. Clear? And actually enzymes are chemicals. Okay, so enzymes are chemical, and they are performing digestion in our body, and we are living organisms, so it is called as biochemical. And for example, enzymes, there is pepsin in gastric juice, stomach. It help in digestion of protein. Renin, that is also present in gastric juice, help in digestion of milk protein. So pepsin, renin, trypsin, all these are what? Enzymes. Again, we will discuss them in detail when we go deep into this chapter. So I think up to this part you have understand well. Okay, so thank you.